know that I want softer, more kissable lips, and if you do too, you are going to love this 5-minute lip scrub recipe. All you need for this is sugar, melted cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, and then peppermint essential oil. So what we're going to do is measure our sugar and our oil, and we're going to mix them together. So I'm going to put some sugar and put some oil, and we're going to stir it up and mix it together until we get the desired consistency that we want. I'm also going to add in a little of my melted cocoa butter because I want it to just feel a little bit creamy on my lips. And mix. You can also add in some mica powder, but I want mine to be like it is, so I'm not going to add any. So this is about the consistency that I want my lip scrub. I'm just going to add a little bit of my peppermint essential oil. So I'm going to add in my peppermint essential oil. Stir. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar. Now I'm going to add it into my little jar here. Here we go, our lippy scrub. So, and that is it. That is a very quick, very simple lip scrub recipe. Takes 5 minutes or less. The longest part was honestly melting down the cocoa butter to get it in preparation to make the lip scrub. But to use it, just apply it to damp lips in a circular motion to get a good exfoliation onto your lips. And I really hope that you found this helpful. If you did, let me know. I would love to know, so leave a comment or like, share, subscribe, and then also hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. All right, so happy crafting. See you next time.